Hey there, and welcome to the Debutify Release Notes 3.1 video. My name is Ricky Hayes, presenting this. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So the Debutify 3.1 portal has a number of enhancements and fixes that people really like. Okay, we're really trying to ramp that up. As of today, the release has a new shop module, introducing the shop module, which allows for more efficient shop management, making it easier for multiple stores seamlessly. So for people that have additional stores, allows you to change between primary, secondary. As we're starting to implement additional store licenses, this is sort of a step towards that so that users can have more autonomy of managing it. Okay, so we're working on a lot of structure there so that people can have multiple licenses at cheaper to help with multiple stores. New user module, simplify user management with the newly added user module, allowing better control over team members and permissions. So basically, if you have a team, you can have user management in the login portal as well. Really, really handy for those who want to sort of control permissions and that in there as well, especially as we start amplifying it. Shop reassignment, you can now easily reassign shops very, very easily. So again, sort of giving that autonomy to be able to change it. Historically, people have had to contact support to help with that. Now we've made it so that you can do it all yourself to save a lot of time and effort. Obviously, we're still going to continue to support people that have issues with it, but it's something we're trying to make it so that people can easily switch between stores, because I know a lot of, especially with dropshippers, they do a lot of different stores, so we're really trying to support a lot of that. The improvements is enhanced deletion functionality. So we've improved the process deleting shops and users for more seamless experience. Just again, we had a few bugs and glitches there. Improved shop management, managing all shops associated with the user is now easier. Again, sort of tailoring to that same thing. And we found a number of issues with the PayPal cancellation flow where it was cancelling their subscription at the same time. So we've gone ahead and fixed that issue and just sort of updated it so people continue with their subscription. Bug fixes, subscription and billing page errors have also been addressed. So that's pretty much it for today's video. A very short one. We're really trying to make it so that the theme and the theme manager get a lot of consistent updates, listening to the community as much as possible. If you have feedback, please let us know down in the comments below, or we have an upvote, and you can also join Discord as well if you have any questions there. If you do like more of this content, be sure to like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much for your time. Take care and goodbye.